These jalapeno bacon poppers are a tasty snack as well as a super yummy appetizer for family get-togethers or holiday parties since they're easy to grab. They're a perfect combination of crunchy, creamy, savory, and smoky all in one bite. They are irresistible, so you better make a double batch. These egg roll poppers are so quick and easy you can make these in just a few steps and in 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, first thing you'll need to do is set a brick of cream cheese out on the counter at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour. And in a small skillet over medium heat, fry up 2 slices of bacon. I'm using hickory smoke here, but you can use whatever you like or what you have on hand. You can fry up those whole slices and crumble after it cools. I like to use my kitchen shears and just be done with it. Carefully spread out so they cook evenly. And flip those as needed. And turn that heat off and remove the bacon. I don't drain it or put it on a paper towel. We don't have enough bacon to worry about here, and it adds more flavor to the cream cheese. Don't leave behind any of that crispy goodness. And get a good sized pot of oil onto heat. Heat to 375. I've just got vegetable oil here. And while that oil is heating up, we'll dice up some jalapenos. You'll need 2 to 3 jalapenos. I've got some good sized ones here, but my family really enjoys them, so I'm putting all 3 of them in. Discard all the seeds as well as the membrane if you don't like too much heat. And you can also wear gloves if you're a little sensitive to that heat. And then slice those in small slices, much like you would do a bell pepper. And then a small dice as well. And continue like so until all the peppers are sliced and diced. Let's mix all those ingredients. Of course, you can do this by hand, but this mixer works just fine, and it's a lot quicker. So place your cream cheese in the mixing bowl. And let that mix up for a minute or so till it's good and creamy. Along with about a teaspoon of garlic powder. A half a teaspoon of salt. I didn't get that on camera. And now that your bacon has cooled, go ahead and crumble that into the cream cheese mixture. And mix it well. And 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Of course, you can use any type of cheese you like. I just find cheddar has a good flavor and it melts real well. Next, add those diced peppers to your cream cheese mixture. Depending on how full you stuff them, I got about 9 poppers out of this batch. And you'll need a small bowl of water to help seal those wontons. And place a tablespoon and a half or so of the cream cheese mixture in the middle of the wonton. Wet just the edges of the wonton with the water. Fold the sides evenly over the top of the stuffing mixture, and fold the wet ends evenly so they stick together. And gently roll up the end and tuck it under the stuffing mixture. And continue rolling. And continue like so. But I think it'll work better if we wet the sides first and then place the stuffing in. Carefully place the poppers in the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the wonton skin is a good golden brown. Now you can cook these in the oven or even an air fryer, but the texture will be off and they won't be as crispy. And turn after just a few minutes. Some will be finicky and roll back over. Just hold those that rolled back over for a few seconds so they can pick up a little darker color. After they've cooked on that side for a few minutes, turn the heat off and gently remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel lined dish. And you see how golden brown they should be when they're finished. And now there's only one thing left to do, and that's to give it a try. Just listen to that crispy goodness. So good. Well, thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, tried it, have any questions or suggestions. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and watch these videos next.